This tutorial will show you how to safely launch and land your kite. Unroll your lines while walking downwind and place your bar leeward of the kite. Like that, your kite will be positioned far out of the wind window and even if lifted accidentally, can't develop any power. Look out for a trained person to help you launch your kite. Attach the safety leash to your harness. Now take the chicken loop and without hooking in, start walking windward towards your launching position. Shortly before arriving on your estimated launching spot, 90 degrees to the actual wind direction, it's time to hook into your chicken loop and signal your buddy to lift up the kite. In order to be safe, it's absolutely crucial to determine the correct launching position exactly. Watch your kite closely while walking slowly further toward windward. You found the perfect launching position if your kite has stopped flapping and is just hovering slightly above the ground. If you miss that point and keep on walking windward, you will realize that the pressure in your kite increases and your buddy will have a hard time holding the kite in one spot. In this case, start walking a couple of meters leeward until holding the kite becomes obviously more relaxed again. Double check your lines for a last time before finally launching your kite. Give your buddy the thumbs up signal and start steering your kite with only one hand on the bar slowly towards 12 o'clock. We recommend keeping your other hand on the quick release during launching. This enables you to react even faster to an unexpected situation. Also, for landing your kite safely, a trained buddy is mandatory. Make sure to clearly give the landing signal and wait for your buddy to confirm it. Slowly steer your kite along the edge of the wind window towards the ground. Again, we recommend to steer your kite with one hand while keeping the other on the quick release. As soon as your buddy has hold of the kite, walk a few steps towards him to reduce line tension. In addition, we recommend to use the quick release system to detach the chicken loop from the harness. Doing so will train you using the second step of the safety system every time you land your kite. Your landing buddy will turn the kite around before you safely secure it in its parking position. Please note that this tutorial is meant to support the lesson program of a certified kiteboarding school and never to replace it. Enjoy learning and your time on the water. Your VDWS Academy.